Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's the Halloween's tomorrow. It's 51 degrees, finally up out of the 40s. We've had several days of rain and just cold. Even if it's not raining hard, it's that drizzly rain, and it's been down in the 40s and it's not getting warm. And as you can see, the peppers are loaded, but boy are these plants looking beat up. I've got to get them picked because the weather's not going to get any better, and the pepper plants certainly aren't going to get any better. And they've just got so many peppers on them that I got to start salvaging everything I can. Some of them are just really just giving up the ghost with this cold and the wet, and they've been here all year. So we're going to get these things trimmed down. Let me look over here at the other side. Here's my little pepper row over here. We had some winds with the rain, and you can see what the wind damage did. Just toppled these guys over. They're not broken. They're still alive. They've just got so much fruit on them that the weather has just cremated them. Look at all these peppers. And of course, it's not going to get warm enough for these guys to get any size to them. I'll leave them and try, but it's usually a lost cause. So I'll get the tripod set up and we'll start picking and see what all we come up with. We planted a lot of these. We really love the little bag peppers you get, you know, with the little orange and red guys. And we planted a lot of them, and they did so well. Maybe you can see I've got a bag over there wrapped around one that I'm saving for seed. You get the little bag of about a dozen of them for $5–6. They're super sweet and delicious. So I planted a lot of them this year, and we got a lot. So pretty happy about that. It's really hard this time of year picking peppers because you're picking so many before you want to, because you just don't trust the weather's going to let you keep them. It gets to be kind of tough. But if you try and get too greedy, you'll find that you don't get any of them. And then while you're picking, you will find some real beauties. Look at this guy. Wow, he's really nice. Alright, we're going to switch around to the other side, because I think there's more on the other side than this side. Here's where you can see that one I have in a bag. I'm going to save for seed. Don't want any bugs or anything to get it. Can you see how productive? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 peppers in like a foot. I mean, that definitely is one here that you want to save seed from. I apologize, I got a drippy nose. The weather's just horrible. It is cold, drizzly. Not a good day to be out here, but you garden when you got a garden. Look at this limb. Look at all the peppers. So And these are pretty nice looking peppers. And we'll get down in here for another couple. Another beautiful bell pepper. This is probably better bell. Then we got the Italian varieties. I love these guys. Thick walled, nice big pepper, great pepper taste. These are definitely better bells. These are our absolute favorite bell pepper type. Thick walled, and this kind of weather it's this big, but in the summertime it's twice that size. Just an outstanding pepper. There's some more of them down here. It's better bell, B-E-L-L-E. Here's another one. Not only do you get big peppers, but they're almost all 4 lobes. And even as the weather cools down on you, you're still getting tremendous sized pepper. Okay, time to move over to another area. Now these are some more of those orange lunchbox little peppers. And achy back today. We also have here some of the red lunchbox. Got this from a guy down around Tampa who was selling the seeds. Ex-military guy doing a little gardening and seed saving, and that sounded like a really good deal to me. So I ordered a bunch of stuff from him. Very happy with all of it. And back here in the back, yeah, these are the ones I really want to show you. We get a lot of these from Costco, the bags, because they're cheaper. And you get a big old bag. And I saved the seeds on their sweet ones last year. And everybody says you can't do the seeds because they're hybrid and that's not what you'll get. I'll show you what I got. Now this is like amazing. Here is the actual orange lunchbox kind like you get in the Costco bag. And here is the seeds from the ones from last year. Now, obviously because it's a hybrid, it didn't come true. I didn't get these. No, I got these. It's like half a bell pepper size. But the deal is that these are just as sweet as these. They're incredible. So what a bonus. The hybrid gave me a double or triple sized pepper with the same taste. I'm going to save seeds from some of these and see if I can keep this going, because this is wonderful. And they are just as prolific as the regular little ones. And they're beautiful. And they're tasty. And what a bonus. Now we can come up here and you go, oh, okay, well that's just one plant. Yeah, that's not really how they do. Well, guess what? I did more than one plant. I did several plants. And here is another one of the plants. Look how big these guys are. Look how big it is. And how big it is. Whoa, there's some more down in there. So not only are they big, super sweet, but they're that bright orange, so they make everything just look so nice. Boy, this one has just really had a problem with between the weight of the fruit and the wind and the cold. This one is really tired. So we're going to see what we can do to take the pressure off. Got to be a better bell. Look at that thing. I don't want to break the stems by pulling them up, so I'm just kind of feeling around. These are some of the nata pinos. They've done really well. We've done a couple different varieties of the tastes like a jalapeno but not so hot, and this one has easily been the best. I don't like, to me a poblano is really hot, so I don't do heat. So we just about filled this thing up. We got a couple more plants to go work on, and we'll head off to them. This will be one of the really late peppers that got put down here. Would have been after the sweet potatoes or squash. I guess it was squash. Was all finished. I had a couple of pepper plants left over, so you can never have enough peppers. So Check that one out. Oh, it's got a brother. Here's another nice one. Wow. Check that. Look at that. Big as my hand. Nice branch here with a few. Got a big branch. Wow. Really weighted down here. There's my bucket. Whew, time to go in and wash them and start chopping.